Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Today I'm going to bring you a Sephora haul. This is just some of the items that I picked up while they were having their VIB Rouge sale. I did get that 15% discount. If you'd like to see what I got from Sephora, then please keep on watching. So the first item that I got is something I've been dying to get my hands on. I've heard so many wonderful rave reviews and it is a product from Sunday Riley. This is the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. And it says it's a next generation retinoid oil and it reduces the appearances of pores, wrinkles, and it also fights the signs of premature aging and surface redness. This is not the full size. This is, I believe, a ½ ounce of product, which is not a lot, but enough for me to basically see if this does affect my skin positively. And if it does, then I will repurchase the full size. I just didn't want to gamble like that. And I'm excited to come back to you guys and tell you what I think of this product and how I get on with it. But yeah, if you've tried any of the oils from Sunday Riley or if you enjoy Luna yourself, then please leave a comment down below. The next item I got was a Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Creme. If you have watched my channel for a little while, you know I have two other colors. I have L1 and I have Whiteout. Whiteout is a fantastic product to use in lightening foundations or just for Halloween looks. It's really a multi-purpose product in that. But then I have L1 because I'm so fair, I kind of assumed that I would need the lightest shade. But knowing Kat Von D, she really covers her shade range very well. So I'm not the lightest shade. It's actually a very, very bright white color for my skin. So I picked up the color L5. And L5 is such a good match for me. It is good for spots and covering like acne scarring, and it's also good to mix in with a slightly darker concealer under the eyes. I can go and use this under my eyes completely. My issue is that it's very thick, so if I do it under my eyes without mixing anything into it, it does tend to crease on me quite badly. But it's such a beautiful coverage. The formula is amazing. The longevity is great. I just have little fine lines under here, so I have to be careful with the concealer I use. The next item I got is an Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is the setting spray that you will know very well if you are a fan of watching YouTube videos. Everyone and their mother uses this setting spray. I haven't tried a full size of this in a really long time. I had a mini for a while. It went strong, but I've been obsessed with using setting sprays. Right now, where I live, it is 90 degrees outside and it's barely been May, so I know that I'm gonna need something to lock in all of my makeup. I don't have particularly oily skin, but in the summer I feel like everyone kind of does because the heat just like melts makeup off of everyone's face. It doesn't matter if I have dry skin. Summer is cruel to everyone, so I'll let you guys know how I get on with this as well. An illuminating product, which I know is so surprising for me, is the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops in the color Do You. This is a little bit of a pricier item, but I don't feel like I would use too much of it. I'm obsessed with the Marc Jacobs highlight that I have, which is a cream highlight, which comes in this little package that kind of looks like a deodorant. This is the Spotlight Glow Stick, and I absolutely love the sheen of this product. It's so reflective and perfect. I would not be without it. But I have watched Desi Perkins for such a long time, and one of the things that I love about Desi's skin is that it's perfect and flawless and radiant. But she was talking about her favorite highlighters, and the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops made it into the mix. And so I kind of just had to try it. This bottle is absolutely stunning. Beautiful packaging. I mean, Marc Jacobs is a very premium brand. In fact, it's the only one that I can really think of that's cruelty-free and vegan for most of the products, but don't quote me on the vegan part. I would definitely double check that if I were you. But I am going to pump out a little bit onto the back of my hand. Ooh, that was a lot, so I'm probably gonna use this on my face in a second. Wow. I'm gonna just do a live demo with this because I know I just said it's like 90 degrees out right now, but I don't really care. I'll go out looking too glowy. I mean, that's not really a thing that I haven't done before. Mind you, I did already have highlight on today. My little Tin Man nose is going wild right now. Okay, so a little of this product goes a long way. So I don't know if you guys can see how gorgeous this highlight is, but the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops in the color Do You are stunning. Like, This glow on my face is wearing me out. Super, super beautiful. I can't wait to play with this more. Definitely leave this video a big thumbs up if you would like to see me use that for a summer makeup tutorial, because I would love to do that. All right, and last but not least, I picked up an Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is in the color Auburn. I have changed my hair color, and while I've been MacGyvering a shade using multiple eyeshadows, I feel like it was just time to get an Auburn pencil, and this is what I've got. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, as I already said, and that is it in the color Auburn. I think this is gonna be really nice just to extend my brows. It's also gonna be a brilliant shade for freckles, because sometimes I'll use a brow pencil and if it's too ashy, it won't look like freckles. If I use it for my cheeks, it'll almost look like dirt just because it's so ashy, and freckles do have a warmth to them since they're usually brought out by the sun. So this will also be great for that. So that was my Sephora haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And yeah, I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye.